strict diet or counting calories. The keto diet is a low-carb, high-healthy fat regime that can transform your entire life. So, if you're ready to take the 28-day keto challenge, here's what you need to know. What is the 28-day keto challenge about? The keto diet isn't a diet, it's a lifestyle, and one that many people have found great success with, from celebrities to fitness models, your next-door neighbor, and everyone in between. It's a popular style of eating that is often being hailed as the healthiest meal plan for the human mind and body. It involves eliminating high-carb or bad carbs from your diet and eating larger amounts of healthy fats, and because there are few rules to this lifestyle change, you can still eat all of the things you love. Sure, you may have to switch up some ingredients for healthier alternatives, but you do not have to deprive yourself or spend your days counting calories. The 28-day keto challenge will explain the keto diet in more detail, while also providing you with everything you need to successfully complete the first 28 days of your new lifestyle change. Now, you may be wondering why the program is only for 28 days, and that's because it takes approximately 3 weeks to form a habit. So, by the end of the 28-day keto challenge, you'll be able to continue with this healthy lifestyle change fairly effortlessly because it'll already be a habit. But what does the 28-day keto challenge consist of, you ask? Great question. When you start the program, you receive Keto Diet, the basics eating on keto meal plan and tips for curbing cravings, intermittent fasting, tips for success, keto and friends, dealing with social pressures, keto flu, beating it in a healthy way, ketosis, tips for staying in ketosis, macros, a micro look at macronutrients, 28-day meal plan. All of this can be accessed immediately as soon as you purchase, no waiting or paying for shipping. You just download the content onto the tech device of your choice, such as your desktop computer, laptop, tablet or smartphone. You can also access the program online if you choose. Now, if you aren't convinced that the keto lifestyle is for you, you have nothing to lose by giving it a try. The program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, which is ample time to complete the 28-day challenge, even if you have to restart a couple of times. Once you start to see those changes in your mental, physical and emotional health, and start to see your body transforming, there's no way you'll want to go back to eating all of the junk you were used to. Oh, and I can't forget to mention that you receive 4 bonuses for absolutely free. Bonus, chocolate fat bombs and desserts bonus, keto desserts bonus, keto-friendly avocado recipes bonus, supplements guide. While the program itself has everything you need to succeed well beyond the 28 days, these extra cookbooks and guides give you even more deliciousness to enjoy. Quick summary of the 28-day Keto Challenge. The 28-day Keto Challenge gives you everything you need to embark on this new healthy lifestyle and turn it into a habit. It takes the time to educate you on the details of the keto diet, and then it provides you with absolutely everything needed to succeed, and I mean everything. You get grocery shopping lists, recipes for every meal, tips for maximizing your results, tips for curbing cravings during the transition period and more. To give you a better understanding of just how elaborate and valuable the 28-day Keto Challenge is, here's a sneak peek at just a few of the things you can expect from each component. Keto Diet, the basics, basic rules, benefits, shopping lists, goals, keto food pyramid, supplies, food lists, worksheets, eating on keto meal plan and tips for curbing cravings, 10 breakfast recipes, 14 lunch recipes, 14 dinner recipes, snack recipes, tips for overcoming cravings, 28-day meal plan, intermittent fasting, tips for success, basics of intermittent fasting, types of intermittent fasting, breaking the fast, tips, keto and friends, dealing with social pressure, eating out, alcohol and keto flu, beating it in a healthy way. What is the keto flu? 4 electrolytes to get, importance of hydration, supplements, tips, worksheet, ketosis, tips for staying in ketosis. What is ketosis? Entering ketosis, 7 tips to jumpstart ketosis, 3 days or less, testing methods, staying in ketosis, worksheets, macros, a micro look at macronutrients. What are macros? Calculating your macros? Net carbs versus total carbs, fat as your friend, protein, hidden carbs worksheet. Let's not forget to mention the bonus cookbooks and guides that provide you with even more keto-friendly recipes to cook up and devour. Bonus, chocolate fat bombs and desserts bonus, keto desserts bonus, keto-friendly avocado recipes bonus, supplements guide. Advantages of the program. The greatest advantage to the 28-day keto challenge is that it's designed to give you exactly what you need to transform your entire lifestyle. It doesn't just present you with a 28-day plan that leaves you having no idea what to do once the challenge is done. Instead, it gives you an abundance of information and serves as your own personal keto coach for the 28-day period and well after. Not only that, but in order to successfully lose sustainable weight, you have to change your lifestyle, not just your diet, and that's what the challenge teaches you how to do. And I love that it's designed to help you turn your newfound knowledge into a habit, so that when the challenge is done, you can continue on with your progress fairly effortlessly. If you ever do need a bit of a refresher, you can also refer back to the program. I also really liked how everything was digital. Having all of the content readily available on your tech devices is a lifesaver. Anytime you're having a vulnerable moment, dining out and not sure what to order, grocery shopping, etc., you have what you need to stick to the challenge. This leaves very little room for excuses, which makes it even easier to find great success with the program. The 60-day money-back guarantee is also a great confidence booster, particularly if you are only just hearing about the keto diet now. This gives you more than enough time needed to see what going keto is all about, and what it can do for your physical and mental health. Chances are, you won't want to go back to putting a bunch of junk in your body and experiencing all the horrible health risks and side effects that come with it. Disadvantages of the program. The 28-day keto challenge is so comprehensive and well thought out that there really isn't one disadvantage that stands out in my mind. If I had to choose something, it would be that perhaps some people would prefer to have the program in physical format. While there are many great advantages to having everything right on your tech devices, I'm sure some people still prefer flipping through physical pages of a book. Though, if this was an option offered, that would also mean that those people would have to carry around 8 books at all times, so it makes sense why the program's creators kept it digital. Again, when you have the program with you at all times, there's no room for excuses. Now, if you don't want to download the content onto your tech devices, you can access them online as well. The verdict: the 28-day keto challenge is the ultimate resource for anyone thinking about going keto or transforming their life into a healthier one. The program serves as your very own personal keto coach, giving you all the information needed to transition your entire life into a healthy